Hi, good morning guys. Welcome back to my channel. This is Julio from JGMultiservices and Home Improvement and Brush Masters Painting Contractor, CHC. Today is Monday, August 6th, and we're gonna start working in this renovation project. So just follow me to here to give you a little update of what we are doing today. So as you can see here, this is the living room area. We're gonna install new flooring here. We're gonna put new doors for the closet. We're gonna repair all the cracks, all the joints, and we're gonna install new wallpaper all around the walls except by the ceilings. We're gonna repair this wall, as you can see already missing part of the drywall. We're gonna replace all the drywall and the baseboard. And we are coming here to this is the family room or sitting room. It's an open area connected to the great room right here. This is old chimney. This is an almost 200 years old house. This is for 1890. So in here we got the guest bathroom right here. So we're gonna replace all the drywall, all the walls, and install new vanity, new toilet, and a new flooring. And we come through here. This is a laundry room area. And through here we got the kitchen area. We already start taking everything down, all the drywall. We're gonna repair all the walls. New drywall. We're gonna have a new set of cabinets. It's gonna be an open kitchen. It's gonna go all the way around to the kitchen. So this is what we got here for now. This is a partial renovation from the kitchen, family room, and great room. These are the three areas we're gonna be working on it. So this is what we got for today. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Remember, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more updates about this project and all our projects around the city. Hasta la vista. Bye bye.